Breaking news coming in. A PLA soldier has been captured near Gurung Hill, south of Pangong Tso in Chushul. The capture has taken place on 7th of January. Indian agencies have released an official communication on this. Formalities are on to return the captured soldier at the border meeting point. This soldier had transgressed across the LAC and was taken into custody by the Indian troops deployed in the area. Remember, this is, of course, even as both sides, India and China, maintain a very big presence with forces in these areas, which are the friction points. The Indian agencies have announced that the PLA soldier is being dealt with laid down procedures. My colleague Shivani Sharma is also joining us with more. Tell us more of what you're picking up.
See, the official statement which has come from the army has clearly mentioned that in the early hours of 8th of January, this PLA soldier was found by the Indian troops deployed in the area in the South Pangong region. And this soldier is from the Chinese army, the PLA, and now the interrogation is going on. And the army has clearly said that the procedure which is appropriate is being dealt, the soldier is being dealt with. And the circumstances will be checked. In what circumstances has he come in the Indian territory, and accordingly the action will be taken, for the decision will be taken. And remember, in October also a similar incident had happened on 19th of October. One soldier from the Chinese army had stranded, and he came inadvertently to India, and later on he was handed back to the PLA in Chushul area. And this time the interrogations are going on, and the army will follow the procedures which are laid down for such circumstances, and then a decision will be taken. And as we know, Shivani, that on both the sides this time there are huge deployments of the soldiers of the army from Indian side also, and the Chinese side also, because of the standoff that we have been into. And there is a long, the border is very long, then the terrain is such that many times these soldiers get stranded, but in this particular case, it has to be ensured whether he has been stranded or he has come inside with some other motive. So the army is doing the following the procedure, and the interrogation is going on, and the PLA soldier is still in the Indian territory. Shivani.
Thanks a lot for joining us. This certainly, of course, goes on to show that the situation is still very, very serious as far as the LAC is concerned. The fact that a PLA soldier has stepped over to the Indian side of the LAC shows that anything could be afoot as far as the Chinese are concerned. Thanks a lot for joining us. For the meantime, we'll continue to track this.